Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you the secret of making the most fluffy, tasty, flavorful Guyanese float bake. Guys, this is super amazing. It's almost perfect and I wish you guys try this recipe. If you all are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Like, share, and comment on this. So the list of the ingredients for this bake will be in the description box. I have some flour, some salted butter, some sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon powder, and nutmeg, milk, and water mixture. So to my flour, I'll be adding the baking powder, salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon powder, and we'll whisk that in together. Then we will go in with brown sugar. Continue to whisk and make sure everything is really nice and combined. Then we'll add our butter. Mix that in really well until it actually resembles coarse breadcrumb. Then we will go in with our water and milk mixture and we will start to form a dough. Mix that really well, placing that on my work surface, and I'll knead for about a minute and a half, and then I'll place that in a bowl and rub some butter, some softened butter right over the top, and let this sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Now I will flour my work surface, then I will divide this dough into desired pieces, knead that and form a little ball just like that. And you can also have some flour, extra flour for dusting. Alright, we'll do that for the rest of the dough. Let that rest for about another 10 minutes. You will gently roll this dough out with a rolling pin to about half of an inch thick. We will do that for the rest of the bake. And that is what it looks like before we head to the fryer. So we place our bake. Make sure to keep your heat on medium high or low. When your bake is nice and puffed up and golden, you can go ahead and remove from pan. Looks amazing. Awesome, and this is our perfect Guyanese float bake. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like, share this video, and comment. Alright, thank you guys for spending the time with me today. Please try this recipe, tag me, let me know. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, enjoy.